Good day everyone, I am Kenneth Aspira Salonga from BPED 2A, and in this video, I am going to share my answer in Activity 5. So for part A, the differences of G clef or the treble clef, the F clef or the bass clef, and the C clef, and or also known as alto clef or tenor clef. So the clefs are musical symbols placed at the beginning of the music stuff. There are three music clefs. The first one is the G clef or the treble clef. We have F clef or the bass clef. And the last one is the C clef or the alto clef or tenor clef. The G clef is the most used. It is placed on the second line of the stop. So the music note placed on the second line of the stop is A, G. The F clef located on the fourth line of the stops is called bass clef. If the F key is placed on the fourth line, the music note on the fourth line of the music stop will be A, F, and the names of other notes of the scale will change accordingly. The C clef can be placed on the first, second, third, or fourth line of the stop. If it is placed on the first line of the stop, the music note written on the first line will be A, C. If the C clef is placed on the second line of the stop, then the music note placed on the second line will be the C, and the names of the other notes of the scale will change accordingly. So for the similarities of three clef, so they are musical symbols used to indicate which notes are represented by the lines and spaces on a musical stave. When a clef is placed on its stop, it assigns a particular pitch to one of the 5 lines, which in turn gives pitch value to the remaining lines and spaces. So for part B of Activity 5, I'm going to answer the questions. In number 1, in music, flat means lower in pitch. Flat is the opposite of sharp, which is raising of pitch. In musical notation, flat means lower in pitch by 1 semitone, notated using the symbol, which is derived from a stylized lowercase b. Number 2, in music, sharp or diesis means higher in pitch. More specifically, in musical notation, sharp means higher in pitch by 1 semitone. Sharp is the opposite of flat, which is lowering of pitch. Number 3, in music theory, a natural is an accidental which cancels previous accidentals and represent the unaltered pitch of a note. A note is natural when it is neither flat nor sharp. Natural notes are the notes A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, represented by the white keys on the keyboard of a piano or organ. Last question is, sharp and flats are called accidentals. Add variety to musical sounds by raising and lowering notes respectively. Explore sharp and flat notes, accidentals within a measure, the natural symbol, and enharmonic notes.